How to change language on Telegram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today with that an easy way. Let's jump right in. First, open Telegram on your phone. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three lines on top left corner of your screen. Then click on Settings, which is below Saved Message. After that, simply click on Language. After you click on Language, you will find different languages. Click on the one you prefer. You clicking on the one you prefer means there is blue dot in the language. In this way, as you can see, my language has been changed. And this is how to change language on Telegram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.